Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Renee Roxanne. Today we'll be getting into the super cute and spooky Wednesday Addams inspiration, and I hope that you enjoy how we get to the final result. It is honestly so simple, and I just love creating this look. She is such a doll, such a sweetheart, and absolutely adorable. So let's get right into this look. You want to start with your hair parted neatly down the middle and styled into two slicked back plaited ponytails. I added curls at the end of mine for an extra effect. This hair and makeup tutorial will be linked in the cards and description. I have two extension strips that are 16 inches. The first band has two clips and I'm placing that as close to the hairline as possible. I am making sure to lock those clips into place. Place the 3 rows above it to give more depth and volume to the bangs. Brush through the extensions and then split it halfway off of the center. I only own a mini straightener, so I'm using that to straighten out the hair. I'm only doing one extension layer at a time. Bring that section to the ear while creating a swooped side bang. Use a bobby pin to secure it to your real hair. Now the same thing with the top extension. Brush the hair smoothly into place. Do the same thing on the other side. So now you're going to take the extra hair and spread it out. Right? And when you spread it out like that, smooth it down and bring it across the band. And then secure that with a bobby pin. Now this is what it looks like. I decided when I completed my makeup that I actually wanted to do her party hair. Okay, so now to complete this hair, you're going to take one side and push it, forward into the band that you created, and then take a hairpin and secure that down with a couple of them into your hair. Now I'm going to take this one and kind of overlap it a little bit, secure that into your hair. So now it's time for the face. I think Wednesday wears a nice simple face all the time, but we can give it a little pop. When she did go out to that one, I don't know, where she has the fluffy dress on. Her makeup is done, and I'm going to give you guys that smoky eye, which is this one right here. Great lash for the brows. The Naked palette, and this smoky palette I think is the perfect one. The first color I'm using is Whiskey, and I'm tapping that with the Anastasia brow brush, and we're just going to add a little color into the brow, but you don't need too much. And I think that is actually the perfect amount for Wednesday. So now I'm going in with the Becky Sue eyeshadow primer, and this color is white. I'm just going to put on a little bit of this primer. A little does go a very long way. I am blending the white out completely using a concealer brush and lining the brows. I'm using Combust as the transition color. I know it's a little light. If you want a little bit more darkness to it, just add 2 taps of whiskey in there. The next color that we're going to use is Amor. And we're putting that all over the lid, packing that into the lid as well. Smolder. I'm putting smolder into the crease. If you don't want rounded eyes, you can pull up and brush out and take it across your entire crease. Now we're going to use black market on the outer lid. And I'm pretty much making like a liner effect on the outer lid. Pulling that into the crease. Now to get these colors to blend together, I'm going to take Slanted with my fluffy brush, blow a little bit off, and I'm diffusing these colors. Now take a clean fluffy brush and tap in some smolder. And just smoke that out all over that crease. Now I'm just going back in with Armor and applying that back to that inner portion of the lid just so that it can pop up. And I'm adding this to that lower lash line. This is the Wet n Wild Baby's Got Black, and I'm just lining the top of my eye. I'm taking this lip brush and pulling the black eyeliner up onto the lid to give a smooth smudge. Line that bottom lash line. A clean fluff brush. And I'm only going to use Combust by itself just to blend out and diffuse any of those colors that are just not, no. We're using the Black Radiance Waterproof Eyeliner. This is the Black Radiance Bold and Sexy Mascara. It's the stuff, honestly. I've been loving this mascara so much. We are not doing lashes for this look. It's supposed to be super, super simple. We're going to put on 2 coats of mascara and on the bottom lash as well, because her bottom lashes are popping in this movie. I am using the Micellar Cleansing Water in Hyaluronic Acid to clean up the fine powder on my face. Now I'm using the Honest Beauty Plumberry on my cheeks. I'm just going to take the Ben Nye powder and just put it on the side of my nose and under my eye. We're just going to bake ever so slightly. So I have my powder brush. I'm just going to brush out that Ben Nye powder. Take the Fit Me powder in 330 Toffee Caramel, and I'm applying that all over the face. It's going to help diffuse that harsh blush as well. And just any imperfections on the face, it's going to just even that out. Setting powder, Mineral Infusion with that same brush. just to set everything in place. Little Maybelline Baby Lips. I'm now taking the LA Girls Lip Liner Maroon, and I'm going to give the lips a little dimension. Okay, and since she doesn't really wear lipstick, I'm actually going to use food coloring. And then I'm going to take the LA Colors High Shine and apply that all over the lip. And that's when the lips are going to stand out. Now it's time to decide if we are going to keep the hair like this, or if we're going to do, you know, the sexy look that she had going on. Oh, I think this is so cute. Oh yeah, this is the one we're doing. We'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final Wednesday Addams look. Let me know if you are feeling this outfit. I think I put a good amount of work into this look. And here are the nails that I created. Super quick nails using Essie. I will have that video linked as well. But I hope you love this makeup and the hair. Let me know down in the comments if you are going to create your own Halloween inspiration of the Wednesday Addams look. So yeah, I really enjoyed doing this. It was super cute, super simple, and I very much so enjoyed it. I hope you guys love how we got to this final look, and I hope you enjoy your spooky season.